Are you tired of sitting at home all day with nothing to do? Do you want to earn money at home just by searching on Google? Then, this video is for you. We will show you the step-by-step process on how you can earn $2,500 just by searching on Google. No experience is needed to start this method, and it is 100% free, and it's available worldwide. Are you ready? Then let's go! Before we start, you can like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Alright, to start off, the website that we are going to use today is Money Pantry. Just type on the address bar of your browser moneypantry.com and it will then bring you to the website. It should look something like this. Welcome to Money Pantry. Simple solutions to earn and save more money. So what is Money Pantry website? Money Pantry is a personal finance blog with a focus on helping you earn and save more money. They scour the world to bring you extraordinary, unusual, yet practical ways of making and saving more of that all-important dough. This website is a blog site that posts different ways on how you can make money online. If you scroll down, you can see different blog posts such as 81 legit ways to earn money online or 150 legitimate work-from-home jobs hiring now. All these blog posts are about making money, saving money, and some freebies that you can get such as books and other products. This website is an information hub on any or every way of making money online, whether it be writing articles, transcribing, voice recording, and more. If you go to this link right here, we can read an article about 101 different websites that pay you $50,000 to $3,000 per blog post. Now that's a lot of money. This article introduces us to different companies that pay you for writing articles on different topics. For example, the company Transitions Abroad. This company will pay you $150 per post for every travel-related article you submit to them. If you scroll down even more, you can see the different topics that you can write about that companies are willing to pay. Topics such as vacation, travel, general interests, politics, news, entertainment, and many more. These companies can offer you a minimum of $50 up to $1,000 per post or more. But for today, we will focus on companies that pay you to write about general interest, since it's one of the easier topics to write about. For example, the company Vibrant Life. Vibrant Life is a bi-monthly magazine with a focus on healthy living. This company is willing to pay you $100 to $300 per post. When you go to their website and look at their manuscripts, the articles that you need to submit should focus on one topic, and the minimum words for their articles are around 450 to 650 words on specific topics revolving around health, exercise, and nutrition. You can submit your articles by scrolling down below and contacting the editor or publisher. By clicking the hyperlink, it will direct you to a new page where you can put your name, email address, article subject, and message to the editor or publisher. You can also attach a file for the article that you want to submit. So imagine writing an article for only 450 to 650 words and getting paid $300 per post. Sounds good, right? Now, let us compare the payout to other websites such as TextBroker. That's another platform used for writing and posting articles. In TextBroker, for an article with 650 words, you will only get paid $6.50. Comparing it to Vibrant Life, which pays you up to $300 per post with a minimum of 450 to 650 words. It sounds like a good deal. The next thing you are going to do is to write an article on a specific topic to post. You don't need to worry about needing skill or experience in writing, nor being fluent in English. You don't even need to write anything. What you just need is the power of Google. We will show you a neat trick on creating articles by copying and pasting free articles on Google. Before we continue with the steps, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like and share your thoughts about the video in the comment section down below. All we have to do is go to the website Quora.com. Quora.com is a free forum that let people ask different types of questions about many different things. If you want to write a topic about general interest, let's say on how to lose weight, you can just type on the search bar, how to lose weight, and there will be a lot of posts of people asking how to lose weight. We just need to click one of these posts. For example, if we click this post, we should see that over 9,800 people follow this post, and we can scroll down below. We can see 100 plus different answers. We can copy the answers, and with enough answers, we can now make an article. Note, we do not want to copy the exact answer since it is plagiarism. Plagiarism is not okay and may get you into trouble. Instead, just take some points from each answer and tweak it a little bit. We can then paste the answer into Google Docs. To open Google Docs, you can search for it on Google and click on the first result. Then you can start a new blank document. You can now copy and paste the answers you have picked on Quora and submit the articles you have made on different websites. One effective way of creating an article is to open different posts from Quora and choose answers from different posts. For example, in this post, you can copy the answer to this post and paste it on Google Docs. However, if you still have to tweak the answer a little bit, paraphrase it, or add your own words to it. This is to avoid plagiarism because your article will not be accepted if it's 100% plagiarized. This is an easy way to create articles, since you only need to make short articles with 450 to 650 words to be paid $100 to $300. We take answers from Quora about the specific topic, we add our tweaks to it, and then we can easily create a short article. Another website that we will be showing you is Listverse.com. Listverse pays you for creating top 10 lists. If we go on the website and hover over to the More tab on the upper side of the website, we can see an option of Write and Get Paid. This section will show you how to earn money on their website. You just have to submit a list and you can be paid $100 in PayPal. Your list must have at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry to be considered. You can submit your list on the More tab at the upper section of the website and select Submit a List. You just need to put your name, email address, PayPal email address, author blurb, and then your top 10 list. After you have finished filling those up, you can now submit your list and wait to get paid. This is a great opportunity for you to make money by simply writing on different websites. For example, you want to write a list of top 10 board games. You can simply search on Quora, top 10 board games, and there will be results of people asking what their top 10 board games are. You can simply choose any answer that you like and then copy and paste it into a Google Doc, paraphrase the answer a little bit, add your own words, and then submit to their website. Writing articles can make you earn at least hundreds or thousands of dollars each week, and with the method that we introduced you in this video, you can write articles easily in minutes without breaking a sweat. And that is how you can earn money just by using the power of Google. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions, and see you on the next video.